Good evening, and welcome to HAI-5 News. I'm Leah Botman. This is our coverage for July 7, 2026. The AI trade, which had cooled off, has roared powerfully back to life. After the late June slump in chip stocks, markets reversed and surged. The Dow Jones Industrial Average topped 53,000 for the first time ever. But the leadership of this rally is changing. Money is beginning to rotate away from the chipmakers that led it toward the next winners of AI. What revived the rally, and who stands to gain next? Let's take a closer look. First, the market moves. On July 6, U.S. markets rose across the board. The tech-heavy Nasdaq composite gained 1.1%, and the S&P 500 rose 0.7%. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average topped 53,000 for the first time, closing at a record high. Behind it lies a revival of faith in AI. Foxconn, the Taiwanese supplier to Nvidia, reported earnings that beat market expectations, a sign that demand for AI remains strong. In fact, the first half of 2026 was record-breaking. The S&P 500 rose 9.6%, and the Nasdaq more than 12%. Next, where the money is heading. Investors have begun to look past chips, which had risen too far, toward other fields that benefit from AI. At the top of the list is cybersecurity. Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike both hit all-time highs. Both are weaving AI deeply into their security products. Agentic AI, which handles threats automatically, is drawing particular attention. The more AI spreads, the greater the need to protect it. Cybersecurity is coming to be seen as a new guardian for the age of AI. And there is another major winner, electric power. The real bottleneck holding back AI is said to be no longer computing power, but electricity itself. Data centers consume enormous amounts of power. As a result, utilities, whose demand had been flat for years, are now embarking on huge capital investments. A striking example is Constellation Energy, the largest nuclear operator in the United States. It signed a 20-year power deal with Microsoft, and will restart the nuclear plant at 3 Mile Island. AI is pushing power companies into an unexpected starring role. In this way, the range of AI beneficiaries is expanding widely. Not just chips, but cybersecurity, power, and cloud software like Oracle. On top of that, the operators of the data centers that house the GPUs are also candidates. Once, only the chipmakers sold the picks and shovels. But now, a broad set of industries is gathering around the gold mine that is AI. Still, caution is warranted. With the market at record highs and money rotating quickly, we must not forget the risk of overheating. The challenge of AI's costs, which we reported on yesterday, has not disappeared. Finally, to wrap up. This rebound shows that hopes for AI remain deeply rooted. At the same time, it has become clear that the benefits are quietly spreading, from the single point of chips to a broad range of industries, from power to security. The gold mine that is AI is widening its base. What investors are being asked for is the ability to judge, calmly, which field will grow next. Can they navigate wisely between overheating and real substance? At HAI-5 News, we'll keep bringing you the frontier of AI and the markets in plain language. Please subscribe and give us a like. I'm Leah Botman. See you next time.
Don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell.